Hello and welcome to my physics videos. I'm using a selection of AQA, OCR and Edexcel content, and you'll see that I like to use explanations in the lessons, and then I'll provide you with some example questions. In this case, these GCSE questions. The idea with these videos is you hit the pause button when you are confident enough to have a go at the question, have a go at yourself, and then press play to check if you got the answer right. Hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it's useful, and please subscribe if you wish to get notifications of any of the other videos as I post them. Hi guys, and today I'm just going to build the framework for you for what is in Edexcel P5, but this will appear in AQA and OCR in the waves section. So there's my little P5, and the title of P5 is Electromagnetic Spectrum, EMS for short. And the first thing that comes up, first topic that we revisit, and I say revisit because we saw it in P4. So actually what I'm going to sneak in here is P4. So all the key parts of P4 that are intrinsically linked to P5, we're going to stick them over here because we're going to revisit some really important parts. And the first one is refraction. And we had a look at a bit of wave refraction in P4, and it goes into a little bit more detail in P5. Now, for those of you who are doing separate, but also because it's a very interesting subject, we're going to have a look at some color. What's important about color? And again, same principle. This one is, the next one I'm going to add in is a separate topic only, but it's very applicable in everyday life, and even if we don't teach it to you in a full separate, we'll still look at lenses in a little bit of detail, some keywords about them and how they work. Now the next one I'm going to put up the top, and there's a reason why I do that, because we're going to leave lots and lots of space around it, and we're just going to label it as the electromagnetic spectrum. And it's actually on the intro titles to these videos. Nice big picture that we're going to put up here. Now obviously don't draw this in, I'm just going to make it obvious that we're leaving a big space for all the parts of the electromagnetic spectrum. That's not very neat, but you get the idea. Okay, so other usable parts. So other than just recalling facts, electromagnetic spectrum is going to expect you to be able to apply some of these parts. And we're going to break them down into two parts. So we're going to have our long wavelengths. So some of the key parts of a long wavelength, and we're going to look at some of the short wavelengths. So you can see there's already quite a bit of space starting to appear where we can put things. And the practical that links into this one is using infrared radiation. Okay, so this is just the framework. Nice short sweet one today. There's lots of lessons to go into this topic, and you can add in keywords, you can add in application, and one of the things I would probably suggest you add in right now, and it's back from P4, is this formula here. Okay, and if it doesn't look familiar, go back to your P4 notes because it's going to be super important here. Like I said, lots of things, and even in other OCR and AQA, this is all included in one big topic. In Edexcel, it's split into two halves, if you like, and it's important we keep revisiting and linking in. And if you were really paying attention, when you draw your electromagnetic spectrum, you'll know that there's an arrow up here that talks about energy. So don't write this in now. It makes more sense when you draw yours in properly. And of course, that is our link to P3. So there's lots and lots of linking going on here. And also, whilst we're here, we're going to put in this, we might as well talk about our next one that we're going to be looking after P5. And one part of our our electromagnetic spectrum is P6. So I'm going to put gamma down this end, otherwise that doesn't make any sense. There's gamma, and that's in P6. So we do go into a little bit of detail about parts of the electromagnetic spectrum that are in other areas, but essentially we're building up a framework at this stage that just helps you learn all the key facts and some of the application. Thank you very much for watching.